Good afternoon. This is Patrick McCullough, forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in San Angelo. Look at the upcoming forecast across west central Texas. And again, we're updating this briefing about 3 p.m. on Wednesday afternoon. They're really going to be highlighting the potential for heavy rainfall, and we are becoming a little more concerned about the potential for flash flooding as well across much of west central Texas for the next, through at least the next 48 to 72 hours. Taking a look at what we have out there this afternoon, we do have some scatter showers and thunderstorms already starting to develop. Taking a look at the kind of what we expect to happen over the next several hours, we do expect this to continue to develop, become a little more widespread, and spread up to the north and east across much of the rest of the area through the rest of the afternoon and into the evening hours. Meanwhile, though, and this is sort of round and wave one of the shower and thunderstorm activity, it's been dry. It's been very dry for the last 4 to 6 weeks across much of the area. And this rainfall this afternoon and this evening will be starting to saturate the soil for the additional heavy rainfall coming in rounds 2 and 3. By the time we get into late tonight, let's run, say, through about sunrise tomorrow morning, we're starting to see round 2, wave 2 of the shower and thunderstorm activity develop out to the west. A much larger, more widespread area of rainfall from the Texas Panhandle near Amarillo south through Lubbock and into the Permian Basin near Midland, Odessa. This is really the first of the significant heavy rainfall concerning moving into west central Texas. As this moves across the area from, say, north of Ozona to San Angelo to Brownwood line during the day on Thursday. With that in mind, we have issued a flash flood watch for that area from along and north of Ozona to San Angelo to Brownwood line, starting at sunrise Thursday morning and running through all of the day on Thursday and into first thing Thursday evening. Again, this wave of precipitation likely to produce amounts of 2 to 4 inches, fairly widespread across much of the Concho Valley, the northern heartland, and into the Big Country. And again, this is going to include Abilene, Sweetwater, San Angelo, Brownwood, and Ozona for the main locations. As we all know, who've lived out here for any length of time, even an inch of rain in some of these urban areas can cause some real flooding issues. So when we start talking about rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 or 2 to 4 inches, we start to see some fairly widespread, or at least some potentially significant flooding issues across some of the urban areas across west central Texas. Again, this is round 2 for the day on Thursday and into Thursday evening. A potential heavy rainfall round 3 looks like to be will be developing for Friday night, and into Saturday morning. And with that in mind, we've actually increased our rainfall total so that we could see some areas of even in excess of 4 inches across much of the area east of an Abilene to Eden to Junction line, including the Brownwood and Brady areas. In fact, some of our indication may be well in excess of 4 inches in some of these locations. So I think by the time we get into the rainfall ending period on Saturday or Saturday afternoon, widespread 2 to 4 inches across all of west central Texas. Certainly see some totals probably in excess of 6 inches in at least a few locations. So this is all kind of a developing story as we head through the next several days. We'll certainly be keeping you updated as frequently as we can. Thank you, and we'll continue to keep you updated.